Transform any logo into realistic material with Gemini AI, fast and precise. Start by uploading your vector or PNG logo into Gemini's canvas. Type a clear prompt like, quote, "Logo is brushed metal with soft specular highlights," end quote, then press render. Adjust settings, choose a physically based renderer, high detail, 2000 texture size and enhanced lighting presets. Preview variations with color swatches, roughness sliders and scale controls on the right. Now watch as Gemini generates photoreal renders ready for close-up inspection and export. First variation, metal, see brushed steel, sharp reflections, and subtle surface scratches. Next, wood, carved grain, warm tonality, beveled edges, and natural wear for realism. Stone, chiseled marble with depth, fine microcracks, and soft shadowing for weight. Glass, choose clear or frosted options with realistic refraction and natural caustics. Fabric, embroidered threads, stitched edges and soft fold lighting for a tactile finish. Final check, before and after split screen, save presets, export assets and apply your new material anywhere.